We've got two more examples of parabolas. The first one's going to give us the same pieces of information but with different values. So I've got a focus at 0, -2, and a directrix at x equals +3. So that's a vertical line going through x equals 3. Focus, directrix, that means the vertex falls in the center of those. So I need to find my vertex, which is going to be at 1.5, -2. Halfway between 0 and 3 is 1.5. Then, let's see here, what else do we need to know? We need to know that it opens to the left, so that means A is going to be negative. And then I have to plug this in. So it is a horizontal parabola, so that means that my y value is going to start us out, and that's going to be the squared value, equals 4a x minus h squared. You have to be careful because the h is always with x, no matter what, oops, that's not squared, I'm sorry. No matter what side it's on. So since my x value of the vertex is 1.5, I'm going to plug that in here. So minus 1.5 or 3/2, whichever you prefer. Then the y value of the vertex was -2, so I'm going to plug in +2. And then my a value is that distance from vertex to directrix or vertex to focus, which is 1.5. But I've got to make it negative because it's opening to the left. Then I will go through, and if you want, you can, well, I shouldn't say if you want, but you need to simplify. So that gives me -6x minus 1.5 or 3/2 y plus 2 squared, and that is my first parabola. Number 2 gives me a vertex at -5, 1, and a directrix at y equals -2. So I know that my focus is going to be somewhere up there, which I don't really need for this problem. I've got my vertical parabola, so it's going to follow that x minus h squared. I know a is going to be positive, y minus k. Let's see here. I need to find that vertex. Well, I have that. So x plus 5 squared equals 4 times a, y minus 1. A is that distance. We had a directrix. Where was it? -2 to +1 tells me a is 3. So then I'm going to make that 12. And you could do that in one step. Y minus 1, x plus 5 squared. Let me slide that up. Let's see here.